This is the AI News Flash for April 25th, 10 a.m. UTC. First up, Google is set to invest up to $40 billion in Anthropic. The deal includes $10 billion upfront and another $30 billion contingent on Anthropic hitting certain performance targets. Anthropic's most recent round pegs its valuation at $350 billion, with investors already speculating about an $800 billion mark. Beyond capital, Google Cloud will provide substantial compute over the next 5 years, including access to its proprietary TPU chips as an alternative to NVIDIA hardware. As Google's ad growth slows, locking Anthropic in as a major customer secures both cloud and silicon demand. For Anthropic, the deal stacks on top of Amazon's funding, cementing a dual-track infrastructure strategy among U.S. frontier AI players. Next, Meta has signed a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar agreement with Amazon Web Services to deploy tens of millions of AWS Graviton CPU cores. The pact makes Meta one of Amazon's largest Graviton customers globally and diversifies Meta's compute stack beyond GPUs and its proprietary MTIA designs. The deployment targets next-generation infrastructure for advanced agentic AI workloads with low latency and high bandwidth as the headline requirements. Inside an estimated $650 billion 2026 hyperscaler CapEx pool, the deal underscores how fierce competitors are now binding themselves together at the infrastructure layer to keep up with autonomous AI demand. Third, the biggest threat to NVIDIA in AI chips is not AMD, Intel, or Broadcom, but Alphabet, according to a fresh analysis. Google's 7th-generation TPU, codenamed Ironwood, delivers a 4x per-chip performance gain on both training and inference. Apple, Meta, and Anthropic are now buyers, with Anthropic alone signing a tens of billions of dollars deal for up to 1 million TPUs. The Davidson analyst Gil Luria estimates Alphabet could capture 20% of the AI chip market if it sells TPUs aggressively, becoming the clear number 2 and turning TPUs into a $900 billion long-term business. NVIDIA still holds 81% share today, but with the AI chip market on track for $1 trillion in revenue by 2030, concrete contracts and performance gains are starting to crack the one-vendor narrative. Fourth, Amazon CEO Andy Jassy says, AI adoption is the fastest in tech history. ChatGPT hit 100 million users far faster than TikTok or Instagram, and AWS's AI business is now running at a $15 billion annual revenue rate as of Q1 2026. By comparison, AWS itself was generating only a $58 million run rate 3 years after launch. That makes the AI ramp roughly 260 times faster than the early cloud curve, with skepticism mounting around hyperscaler AI CapEx. This curve is becoming a key talking point for the camp, arguing the gold rush still has plenty of road ahead. That's all for this AI News Flash.